Yo, you guys, it's Wedger here, and today we've got this little earwax remover tool, so get that right out of the box and check that out really quick here. So how that actually works is you got these little silicone top parts, which you definitely should put on there just so you don't hurt yourself when you use it. And then you have this little, I want to call it shovel, but kind of scooper, whatever, that goes into your ear. There's a camera in here as well, and the light, so you see what you're doing. And you turn that on, and you will see. Let's see if it's pre-charged. Yeah, the flashlight is up, and then you can actually look on your phone and see what's inside, and then you can remove the earwax in your ear, which is kind of disgusting if you think about it too much, but on the other side, it's really good to take care of your ear after all. Only thing you should definitely keep in mind, if you're not sure where you're at in your ear, don't go too deep. Don't hurt yourself. You definitely can if you don't know what you're doing. If that looks like there's something blocking your way, definitely that's something that's supposed to be there. Stop there. And you can clean up these little silicone parts too, which is good. And this is the app. This is what it looks like. We're not gonna head into my ear because that would be disgusting. I just want to show you anyway though how it could look like. So this is the view of the app, and let's just form a fist here and go between the fingers. And as you can see, see what's happening. You can look through and get where this is going. So that's gonna be it for today, guys.